to my vlog. So for today's vlog, guys, we're gonna do another unboxing, and this will be this salter Nutripro. So it's actually like an electric mixer for smoothie and stuff like that. And we're gonna use this today and make some smoothie. So let's go, guys. Are you excited for your blender? Blender pala ang tawag sa kanya, guys. So we're gonna unbox this blender. Thank you, Liam Caparas, for this again. And Fish Z, thank you so much for your housewarming present. Ayan, so you've got
the recipe.
Is it the recipe or the guide?
The guide and recipe as well.
Okay, that's quite good. And then here, be careful. So, fully protected naman siya, guys. Ayan. Alright. You've got your blender base right here, and then your blending cup, and then inside there you've got the blade for the blender, and you've got two blending cups here where you also get two of the drinking lids, so to cover that one, and so there's two of that, and you also get this cover lids to close those cups. So there's also two of that. So I think we're gonna try how this thing works, guys. And let's see how the smoothies will turn out. Got some mangoes. Ayan, guys, we've got the mangoes in, and then we need one banana. So one banana in as well. So we need to put 1 cup of orange juice. Ayan. And then we put some ginger in. Some ice to make it a bit refreshing. Ayan. Ooh, la la. We're good to go. We close it with the blade. And then we put it on the base. I hope we're doing it correctly. Oh my god. You need to check the thing. Okay, so this is how it works. You have to press it. And then you twist it to stop. Okay, guys, so we figured out how it works. Our smoothie is done. We're gonna pour our first smoothie. Oh, wow. I hope it would taste nice. This doesn't have any sugar, guys, so I'm not sure how it would taste, and it has some ginger. So let's see. Ayan, guys, so we're gonna have our first smoothie. And cheers! It's not bad. It's not bad. Actually, the ginger is, I think, quite a lot. So the kick of ginger you can really taste. But overall, that that was actually a good smoothie and it was easy to make, right? So thank you so much, Lian Caparas and Fish Z, for your present. That was really nice, and we're expecting to do more smoothie in the coming days. So that's for our vlog for today, guys, and saranghae everyone.